place you don't see every day. And that is the only reason why we decided to experience this for ourselves. Welcome, good people, to another episode here in Thailand, where today we're going to visit two places that never in our wildest dreams we thought we will visit. And so here we are. Now, Thailand is the land of markets. There is street food market, night market, weekend market, and yes, we did visit the famous weekend market called the CHATUCHAK market, and you can watch the video here. But what we are more interested in is this famous floating markets of Bangkok, and obviously the dangerous train market. Yes, I say dangerous because it is, and I will show you why. So stick with me till the end of this video. If you don't know us, we are an Aussie Bangladeshi family doing a family gap year, slow traveling the world, because why not? See, you just have one life, so why not live it at your own terms? And that is exactly what we are doing. We started our journey in Malaysia, living there as locals for 3 months before moving here to Thailand. Our first stop is the Damnoen Saduak Floating Market. It is one of the most famous floating markets here in Thailand, located about 100 kilometers from the center of Bangkok. It's about 1.5 to 2 hours drive away, and frankly, with a child, we decided to book a tour and leave the organization bit in capable hands, because we wanted to immerse ourselves into this once-in-a-lifetime experience, and for once, we wanted to get away from the logistics of traveling there.
Enjoying this?
Yeah, it's good. I actually prefer this over the speedboat one. It's a little bit more relaxing.
Thank you. Okay. We're so glad it was not raining, because when we started this whole tour, it was raining so much.
Looking, sell. My friend.
Oh, your friend. Hi.
Your friend. Yara. Open your floating market.
We now just came to have a bit of lunch after like a boat ride, and this place is absolutely packed. And yeah, but it's pretty reasonable, right?
It's pretty
the cost is
reasonable.
pretty reasonable.
The prices are like not more than 120 baht, so very, very cheap food.
Yeah. So we're just waiting for the food right now, and yeah, waiting for our drinks.
Where do I begin? There are some places in this world that are simply beautiful, and there are others that leave you feeling absolutely insignificant. And then there is Maeklong Railway Market. This place is something you need to experience. No words can describe the feeling we got. But if I could give one word as close as to what I was feeling, it was overwhelmed.
Yeah, really interesting ride. Like they got us on, and actually the step to get onto the train is like it's massive. Like you literally gotta jump onto it.
Yara is not like in the.
She's not because this is a local bus. They just keep on honking like every 2 seconds, and it's got like open windows as well, so the wind is blowing, and all of this combined, she's not enjoying it. Yeah. Market very soon. Okay, don't worry. We'll be in the market very soon, and then you can roam around in the market. Okay?
Get something.
Yeah, you can get something from the market. No problem.
Stop.
Yeah, it's not. Now it's gonna go again.
What do we seek when we travel? At the core of it, we seek authenticity. When you visit a certain country, you can see it from the lens of a tourist, or you can see it from the lens of a traveler. For most of our life, we traveled like tourists. Much of our travel surrounded tourist attractions. First time in our life, we got the opportunity to see the world from the lens of a traveler. So what do? Here we are in a tourist attraction, but viewing it from the lens of a traveler.
Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam, bam. Hey, it's bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beach on cam. Like, hold up. She wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Papi te paga los biles, nada más que quiero ese culo. Prefiere el sexo conmigo que yo te lo meto bien duro. I bought a Benz straight from the trap, I don't like paying no taxes. I don't need friends, solo una mami, papi te enseño what racks is. Me and my bitch, we got a bitch, yeah we treat her like a pet. She keep it G, she keep it tranqui, but she be down with the set. Ay, me and my bitch, we got a bitch, yeah we treat her like a pet. Ay, EBK if you all in the way, you in the field with a vet. Ay, bam bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beach on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Ay, bam bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beach on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up.